In general, you can see that the products are easy to use, are easy to install, and we just feel that 2N is developing the products in a way that they are thinking about the market and are thinking about the needs. So almost everyone can install basically those intercoms and use it. It's very, very easy for everyone.
The major benefit that springs to mind immediately is the open protocol. The fact that we can integrate 2N solutions into pretty much any third-party solution that's already in a project or that are going to be considered for a project, and generally it's pretty much seamless. So it's the open protocol and the interoperability.
So what it gives my customers the ability is to install product into residential solutions, commercial solutions, and integrate it into everything that they're already doing in those buildings or technologies that they want to start offering in their businesses.
What would be Distributor Summit without distributors, without our partners? So my big thank is towards our distributors, our partners, for their great job, what they do with 2N products, because without that, 2N wouldn't be so successful. So thank you very much, and I'm happy to evaluate this meeting as a great one. Thank you.